No objection. There is no objection. Question number 7, the Honourable Maryan Street.
Thank you, Mr Speaker. My question is to the Minister of Health and asks, is he satisfied that the changeover on the 1st of September to new blood glucose meters will go well for New Zealand's 120,000 diabetics who use them, and what measures has he taken to ensure that it will?
The Honourable Tony Ryan.
Mr Speaker, yes, that's what I expect. I do need to emphasise to the member it is not a wholesale change for everybody with diabetes on the 1st of September. There is a 6-month transition. So every existing patient does not need to swap their existing meter until they can no longer obtain test strips for their old meter, which is from the 1st of March 2013. So I have received advice that the new meters have been thoroughly tested for accuracy and precision, and these testing reports are available on the Pharmac website. I'm further advised that the Diabetes New Zealand President, Mrs Chris Beattie, has examined one of the new CareSense meters and is confident that, quote, it is as good as diabetics have ever had, unquote.
The Honourable Maryan Street.
Thank you, Mr Speaker. To the Minister, what assurance can he give New Zealand diabetics that there will be sufficient supply of the new meters in New Zealand for them and that they will be efficiently distributed?
The Honourable Tony Ryan.
Mr Speaker, I'm not aware of any concerns about that. We have a 6-month transition. Some of those meters are already available in New Zealand, and I expect that with the significant concentration going on this matter by Pharmac and others in the health service, that transition should go well. That's certainly my expectation.
The Honourable Maryan Street.
To the Minister, what assurance can he give the Cannons Creek pharmacist in Pororua, Mr Kaz Govind, that the information required to educate his patients and staff will be available before the 1st of September, which is Saturday, because it hasn't arrived yet, and today is Thursday?
The Honourable Tony Ryan.
Mr Speaker, I don't think we should have any worries about that, because Pharmac is making some new online information available, I think, tomorrow. And actually, there will not be a stampede of patients to get support for monitoring this equipment. And I think you'll find that the functionality of the equipment is such that it'll be very easy and straightforward to pick up. One of the real benefits of this new arrangement is that when people with diabetes had to get a machine, a replacement machine, they had to go into the GP, get a prescription, go down the road, get it filled by the pharmacist. Now they'll be able to go direct to the pharmacist to get their replacement device.
The Honourable Maryan Street.
Thank you, Mr Speaker. To the Minister, what support will be given to diabetics transitioning to the new meters, and how does the Minister intend to monitor the effectiveness of that support?
The Honourable Tony Ryan.
Well, one way I'll monitor it is by the number of questions that the member asked me in the House, which is no doubt a reflection of who she spoke to last. But we will monitor it, of course, by feedback from those with diabetes.
Point of order, the Honourable Trevor Mallett.
Mr Speaker, that was a straight question. How will he monitor? Sir, it didn't require an offensive answer, and that was, I know by this minister's class it wasn't that offensive, but most of us it was.
Order. I think the member's point is fair enough. The minister didn't need to say that because it could be interpreted wrongly and in an offensive way, and that's unfair. I'd ask the minister to answer the straight question, please.
Mr Speaker, I'll be monitoring it by feedback. No doubt those who have a problem will let us know. And what I have to say is I take some comfort from the comment from the President of Diabetes New Zealand, who said that she thinks the machine is as good as diabetics have ever had, and a lot of effort is going into making sure the transition is as good as it can be over the next 6 months.
Question number 8, Shane Arden.
Yes, thank you, Mr Speaker. My question is to the Minister.